So the first step in building any machine learning model is data collection. Data collection means gathering and preparing data to be used for building machine learning model. Let's say you want to create a machine learning model that recognizes a dog from a cat. What you're gonna do? First, you need a data set that contain images of dogs and cats, maybe like thousands or even hundreds of thousands of images of dogs and cats. After that, we are going to feed these images to the algorithm. And the algorithm will understand and be trained by these images. After that, after we feed the data to the algorithm, now we have a trained model or a trained algorithm that can recognize a dog from a cat. So let's say you take a new picture for your dog and put it to the trained algorithm. The algorithm will tell you that this is a dog. Or even if you take a picture of any stray cat or your cat and put it to the algorithm will make calculation and tell you that this is a cat. That's how powerful machine learning is.